In this video we are going to understand the gliding effect that we can give to a particular sprite, and here we are using you can say a rocket ship. And if you remember, if you have seen the earlier video, we have used the gliding effect to the parrot sprite, where we were showing the bird is flying from one direction to the another direction, and there we have used the glide instruction. The same thing you can do up over here using a different set of instruction by giving different set of coordinates. Let's see, to give the gliding effect to this particular rocket ship, here we need an appropriate background. So we go to the gallery and we search for an appropriate background. Here let's say this nebula, and we need to give a starting location to this sprite. So what we do is we say that when we click on the green flag, so it should go to the starting position, and that is, it should, we are going to set the x coordinates and the y coordinates. You can give any particular value. Here I'm giving these set of values, and when I'm going to click on the green flag, you can see that it is going to the starting place, where and it is always going to start gliding from there only, because I have set it as the starting position. Now to give a gliding effect, what I'm using is, I'm not using the glide instruction, I'm using go to instruction, that it should go within 1 second to this set of coordinates, and after that one more time it should go within 1 second to a different set of coordinates. So what it will do is, when I click on the green flag, it will go to the first location, and after that from there only it will change its direction and go to the second position. So that is why this is like glide from point to point. Like as you can see, when I'm clicking on the green flag, it is going to one location, then changing the direction, going to the another location. So this is like gliding from one point to another point. And we are going to save the work. So from the file menu, give an appropriate name, let's say glide from point to point, and we are through.